Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll be doing a mini project that is to develop echo demonstration video on MATLAB. That is, we have to develop echo demonstration of sound on MATLAB using convolution. Following are these are the objectives that we have to achieve today. Firstly, we have to load an audio in MATLAB. Secondly, run the clear sound, the uploaded audio file that is we have uploaded. Thirdly, we have to develop an impulse response for echo here. Then run the convolution in MATLAB, and finally run the sound of convolution output demonstrating the echo effect. That is the echoed sound we have produced. Now first, let me tell you what actually is convolution. Convolution is a process involving two signals and produces one output. It is mathematically represented using this equation, that is, you can see xn and hn are two signals and they are processed together to produce a signal yn. What actually happens that in hn you can see that we have produced a delay which we later on use in our for our echo. Now this animation will explain more about the convolution. That is, if you can see this wave, when these blue and green overlap each other and a new blue wave form, that shows the convolution, that this one. So this is a small animation about convolution. Now let's come towards our code. So our first object was to produce to enter a voice note by using this wavread command. Thus, our audio file should be of .wav format. Secondly, we have to listen that original sound we have produced and look at the original plot of the sound. Sound command is used for producing sound, and for plot, we can use the normal plot command. Fs is here the sampling frequency, that is the standard 44,100. Now, if we run this, Calibri font was invented in 2007. Okay, so this is our original sound that we have input in the MATLAB. Now let's come towards the convolution part. Firstly, we have entered our command, that is the wavread. Now here we have plot the original voice, that is by using plot x. X is the original voice that we have entered. Now this xlen command is used to denote the length of the signal that we have produced. Here s is equals to x. This command will convert the length into the vector form, that is, here length is in matrix. So this command will convert this matrix form into the vector form. D is equal to 75,000, that is the delay we will produce in our original signal. Fs is sampling standard frequency, that is 44,100. Here xlen is equals to length x. We have again entered the length of the delayed signal. This signal will produce the impulse, that is t is equal to 0. This signal will produce the impulse. Now we have entered two impulse at different points, that is at 10 we have entered the impulse of magnitude 0.6, and at any point in time delay we have entered the impulse of same magnitude. After this, we have a plot command, plot t, that will plot the impulse. Nextly, we'll perform convolution. Z is equals to convolution conv command s comma t, and then we'll use the plot command again, plot z, to plot the echoed sound graph, and in the end we'll use this sound command to listen to the echoed sound. Now let's do it step by step. Firstly, when I run it, it will only show the original voice note graph that we have entered. Now if I remove this graph will show the impulse response at 0.6 as I mentioned. Now if I remove this also, now we have three graphs here. That is, this one is the original graph, this one is the impulse response, and this one is the time delayed or the echo signal that we have produced. Now lastly, we'll run this sound. Calibri font was invented in 2007. So as you can see that we have successfully done the demonstration of sound using convolution on MATLAB, and we have successfully echoed the sound. Thank you so much for watching. Love is